Hey, this is Jim McCarthy. I'm in New York City to do another one of my workshops, and I wanted to share with you this daily affirmation. And the affirmation is this: today, I deserve to do work that is meaningful and has a positive impact on other people. Okay, this is an affirmation like any affirmation you can say to yourself over and over again every day, when you're in the shower, when you're commuting, when you're waiting for the elevator or waiting for the bus or whatever. And affirmations is a statement that you say that you love about yourself, that is true, or that you want to be true about yourself. It's like a goal, it's like an aspiration, or it's like a reinforcement of who you want to be, how you want to be. So it can be any sort of affirmation, but given that New York is such a business-focused sort of city, of course it's also great for the arts and other things like that, but it's a city that was built on smart, ambitious people working really hard. And so one affirmation that I have thought of just now, looking out over the beautiful New York skyline, is I deserve to do work that is meaningful, that helps other people. So I hope you find that useful. Let me know what sort of affirmations you have for yourself that keeps you focused on hitting your goals and being happy. Take care. For more of my videos on how to create happy, peak performance teams, go to my YouTube channel. You can find the link in the description. Thanks.